All right, these are the answers to your Punnett Square practice problems. I don't know why this one erased, but you have round homozygous crossed with white. So it's capital, capital crossed with lowercase, lowercase. It's 100% heterozygous genotype, which is capital lowercase, that's 100%, and then your phenotypes are 100% round. Okay, number 2. All right, these are the answers to your Punnett Square practice problems. I'm just going to spend a couple seconds on each page. I'll go over the genotype and phenotype for each of the problems. Number 1, 25% capital P capital, 50% capital lowercase, 25% lowercase lowercase, which is 75% purple phenotype, 25% white phenotype. Number 2, hybrid purple crossed with hybrid purple or heterozygous purple give you 50% heterozygous purple genotypes, that's capital and then lowercase p. 25% homozygous genotype, capital P, and then 25% recessive genotype, which are 75% purple, 25% white phenotype. 1 through 10. Hybrid purple crossed with hybrid purple give you 25% capital P genotype, 50% capital lowercase, and then 25% lowercase, 75% purple phenotype, and 25% white. All right, these are the answers to your Punnett Square practice. Number 3, hybrid purple crossed with white give you 50% heterozygous genotype, 50% recessive, which is good for 50% purple, 50% white. Number 4, hybrid tall crossed with pure tall give you 50% heterozygous genotype and 50% recessive, which is 50% tall, 50% short. Number 5, short crossed with short, 100% recessive genotype and 100% short phenotype. 6, green crossed with hybrid yellow give you 50% heterozygous genotype, 50% recessive genotype, 50% chance of a green phenotype, and a 50% chance of a yellow phenotype. Number 7, hybrid yellow crossed with hybrid yellow. For the genotypes, 50% chance of heterozygous, 25% chance homozygous, and 25% chance recessive. Phenotypes are 75% yellow and 25% green. Number 8, hybrid smooth crossed with hybrid smooth. You have a 50% chance of a heterozygous genotype, 25% chance homozygous, and 25% chance recessive. 75% smooth phenotype, 25% chance wrinkled phenotype. Number 9, wrinkled crossed with wrinkled, 100% recessive genotype, 100% wrinkled phenotype. Last one. This gives you an outcome of 4 smooth phenotypes. It tells you that one of the parents is wrinkled. It tells you the second parent is smooth. So you just have to figure out if it is homozygous smooth or heterozygous smooth. The only thing that gives you 4 smooth phenotypes is to have the first parent there be homozygous smooth. So capital S, crossed with lowercase s, give you 100% chance heterozygous genotype, 100% chance smooth phenotype.